I see the Dow up 100 points, minor gain for the S&P, minor loss for the Nasdaq. Volatile market today. Jonathan Hoenig with us this Friday. Jonathan, gold and silver seem to be safe havens, but Bitcoin does not. Do you agree, and can you explain it?
Well, Stuart, we've been talking about gold and silver and precious metals for more than a year, but it's something about that $4,000 an ounce level really got everyone's attention. And look, all-time highs are bullish. So gold is just off its all-time high, Bitcoin a bit further off of its all-time high. It seems to me it's almost as if Bitcoin is leading equities down, but I just don't think you fight the tape on gold. It's not just the precious metals themselves, Stuart, but it's a lot of the equities linked to precious metals. Newmont Mining, a lot of the mining stocks, Harmony Mining, etc. So I am gold. They're all doing well. So you don't want to fight the tape, despite the fact that the shiny metal is down a bit today. I think you stick with gold, silver, platinum, and palladium at these levels.
If I was going to invest in gold, I'd play GLD. It seems to me that's the easiest way in and out. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, look, it's also the safest way. The prospect of actually taking delivery of any significant amount of gold, storing it at your home. You know, for me, Stuart, it's dangerous. It's potentially expensive. It can be stolen, etc. So GLD, a great way to play that gold market, long or short. For now, I think you got to be long. You don't fight the tape, especially when a market's at an all-time high. We think of it as being the all-time high, but more than not, it's just an all-time high. Another one is just a few days down the line.
Okay, that sounds good. Drum roll, please. Your exotics pick for the week. Shutterstock. Okay, Shutterstock. Sorry, Shutterstock. Oh, Lord. Okay,
yes.
Why don't you explain what that is and why you like it?
Well, I mean, this is a true value stock, Stuart. It's got a 13 PE ratio, and it's yielding almost 5%. It's way down from where it was. This was a $125 stock just a couple of years ago. But like it's a sister company, Getty Images, it's getting a bid right now. I think that the market's looking for undervalued names that aren't necessarily, overvalued like the AI ones. So this is one that's off the radar screen that I think is probably ripe to be picked up by a private equity firm, rolled up ultimately in effect. So look for those value names that aren't on the front cover of necessarily every browser. Shutterstock is one.
Shutterstock. I knew I'd get that name right.
Go.
Jonathan Hoenig, thank you very much for joining us. We
Best
appreciate
to you,
it. Have a great weekend.
Oh, my pleasure.